Hello students, how are you all? I think you must be fine. Today I am going to teach algebra expansion for class 9. In my videos I explain each and every chapter broadly. You must watch my videos. Those who are not subscribed my channel, you must subscribe my channel Icon Academy Bajloni. In previous classes, you have learned algebraic expressions and basic operations of them like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Now I write some special products. Students are advised to memorize them properly. Let's start. Write some special products. Number 1, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Number 2, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Number 3, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Number 4, a plus 1 by a whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Number 5, a minus 1 by a whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Number 6, a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a equal to a square minus 1 by a square. Number 7, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X plus a into x minus b equal to x square plus a minus b into x minus ab. Number 3, x minus a x plus b equal to x square minus a minus b into x minus ab. Number 3, x minus a into x minus b equal to x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. 8, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 9, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here another formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. I write here a cube plus b cube first, and then here I common a 3ab, then a plus b. 10 a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Similarly, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. Next, 11. A cube plus b cube. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Another formula, a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. 12. A cube minus b cube. Similarly, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here, if a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Here, a cube minus b cube, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Here, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube, a minus b. Here, a plus b, here, a minus b. A cube a square plus ab plus b square. 13. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. These special products are called formula. Mainly memorize these 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now I solve some questions. Here 3x minus 1 by 2x whole square. This is a minus b whole square formula. Write a minus b whole square formula, a square. You think 3x equal to a and 1 by 2x equal to b. Then a square 3x whole square minus 2 into a here 3x into b here 1 by 2x plus b square here 1 by 2x whole square equal to 9x square x 2 minus 3 plus 1 by 4x square. This is answer. And question 2. Here 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole square. If I write 2x plus 3 by x plus minus 1 whole square, a plus b plus c whole square. What is formula? A square, here a square 2x whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2a here 2x, b here 3 by x plus 2 B, C. 3 by x minus 1 plus 2C A minus 1 into 2x equal to 2x whole square, 4x square plus 9 by x square minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1. So plus 1 plus 2 to the 4 and 12 plus minus a minus 6 by x plus minus a minus 4x equal to 4x square plus 9 by x square plus 1 plus 12, 13. But I write this portion first. Minus 6 by x minus 4x plus 13. This is the answer. Now I solve this and this question. Here, if x square plus 1 by x equal to 2.5, find the value of x minus 1 by x. First write, solve x square plus 1 by x equal to 2.5. X square by x means x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Now find the value of x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x whole square equal to, here x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Here x minus 1 by x. I put a formula a minus b whole square. I write here a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. I put this formula here. So a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab equal to, here x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 4, 5 by 2 minus 4, 25 by 4 minus 4 equal to x minus 1 by x whole square equal to nine by 4. Therefore, x minus 1 by x equal to plus minus square root 9 by 4 equal to plus minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. Here, another question is x4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to 194. Find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. I write this portion first. x4 plus 1 by x4 equal to 94. At first, I have to find out the x plus 1 by x value of this. So, x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square equal to 194. A square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. I write this formula here, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. I write this formula here, a square plus b square, formula is x square plus 1 by x square whole square মানে a plus b whole square minus 2ab equal to 194. Here again I apply a square plus b square, formula of a square plus b square. So x square by 1 by x square whole square equal to 194 plus 2 x square plus 1 by x square equal to plus minus square root 196. X square plus 1 by x square equal to plus minus 14. Minus always x square plus 1 by x square, value of x square plus 1 by x square positive, therefore x square plus 1 by x square equal to 14. X square plus 1 by x square is always positive, so we take this number, positive number. You may write this. Now I find the value of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Here x square plus 1 by x square 14 plus 2 equal to 16. X plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x equal to plus minus square root 16 equal to plus minus 4. Similarly, x plus 1 by x equal to plus minus 4. Now I write this portion, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to a2 plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Here x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Here was x plus 1 by x plus minus 4, when value of x is 4 plus 4. X plus 1 by x equal to 4. Case 1. Then the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4. Case 2. When x plus 1 by x equal to minus 4. Minus 4 whole cube minus 3 into minus 4. When x plus 1 by x equal to minus 4. Minus 64 plus equal to minus 64 plus 12 minus 52. So what x plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to plus 52 or minus 52. What is the answer? X cube plus 1 by x cube equal to plus minus 52. Students, that's all for today. I will meet you next video. Bye.